Good day everyone, I am Cadet John Lawrence O. Kagata. So for today's video, we will be gonna discuss about the different terminologies used in electronic chart display and information system, which is the ECDIS. So first, let's discuss what is ECDIS. So ECDIS is electronic chart display and information system. It's a computerized navigation system that uses official electronic navigation charts, or ENC, to display a real-time ship position and course information. It integrates data from GPS, AIS, radar, and other sensors to enhance situational awareness and improve navigational safety. So ECDIS is approved by the IMO, or International Maritime Organization, as a replacement for paper charts on SOLAS compliant vessels. So here is an example or a image or picture of an ECDIS inside of a vessel. So usually ang ECDIS is makita siya sa bridge. So now we will gonna be discussing the different terminologies. So we have the first row, term, second row, the description, and the last row is its significance. So now, first is the ENC, or electronic chart or electronic navigational chart. So description is a official digital chart issued by the hydrographic offices. So the significance is primary source of chart data used in ECDIS for safe navigation. So ang ENC daw, or electronic navigational chart, is ang first or the primary source chart that being used in the ECDIS, especially for the safe navigation. So ang kuan daw, ang ENC or the electronic navigational chart kay mo ang official nga digital nga mapa gigamit sa barko upang maluwas or for the sake of the navigation. Next is ENDS, Electronic Navigational Data Service. So ENDS is a service that supplies ENC updates, new chart editions, and other official navigational data electronically. So its significance is ensure that the ECDIS is always using the latest and most accurate chart information. So it is date to date or update to date. So it means ENDS daw is most of important for the ECDIS kay nga it is used to update from time to time. And syempre sa barko, we should use update publication, update charts, or update information. Next is this system database. So system database is a database within ECDIS that contains settings, user data, configuration files, and ENC updates. So significance supports ECDIS operation and user settings, ensures smooth functioning and traceability. So system database, diri na to makontain ang ato ang mga information, data, especially regarding about charts. So dito pod makita ang ang time to time update of the charts. So next is the display base. So display base is the minimum set of charts information that always visible on ECDIS and cannot be removed by the user. So the significance includes coastline, safety contours, some navigation hazards, ensure basic situational awareness. So display base kuno is kuno siya consistency, dili na siya matangtang or permanent or constant or static. If unsa ang nasa ECDIS ang display base, so mao ra gud to siya. Next is the standard display. So description, standard display is the default display setting as recommended by the IMO, or International Maritime Organization. So it includes all essential charts feature for navigation. So the significance of its is used during normal navigation, customized but still meet safety requirements. So ang standard display daw is naghatag siya o different kinds of feature for navigation that can be seen in the display. So lastly, we'll be gonna discussing about this SENC or the System Electronic Navigational Chart. So description: the process version of ENC used internally by ECDIS. So the significance: enables fast display and interaction within the ECDIS system. So ang SENC is mo siya ang overall version of the new update ECDIS can be used internally, which is faster, time efficiency, and especially for passage planning. So dali ra ta makahimo og passage planning o route planning. So that's for all for the terminologies about the different terminologies used in electronic chart display and information system or ECDIS. So that's all. Thank you.